Hey guys, it's Melody and welcome back to my channel. If you guys have seen my last video, okay, it's not my last video, but one of my previous videos, it was my drugstore makeup haul. And in that video, I told you guys I got the Jaclyn Hill makeup palette from Morphe, and I have seriously been using this every single day since I've gotten this because it's just so good. Like, I love it for every day. I mostly use the mattes and they're just so pretty. Look at this. I love these. And she actually has some really pretty dark green colors like these two. This one's glittery and this one is matte. So I thought I would do a holiday glam makeup today using those colors because it is Christmas time and it is the holidays. And these green colors are perfect. They're so pretty. I don't even know what you would call, like, kind of like an Everest green, I think this one is. And also this one is just so pretty. She said she spent forever on this color because she didn't want just a typical green color. She wanted something different, and for sure this is super different and super pretty. And I've already done my foundation and my brows so that this video can be faster than usual. And I'm just going to show you guys with the eyeshadow because this video is just going to be focused on this palette that I love. So I've already primed my lids, so this color will stay intact. And I actually use my concealer as my primer because I still haven't had time to go get an actual eyeshadow primer, but the concealer works really well too. So if you guys don't have a primer, then that's a little tip that you guys could use. I guess let's get started. So first I'm going to take this color, this light brown type of color, and use that as my transition color. And transition, I mean like from my lid to my brow bone because there's going to be a color up there and down here. So I'm going to take this brush. This is actually from the Kylie Take Me on Vacation palette. It's the brush that it came with. There's this one right here, the more like poofy one, and then this one's kind of flat. So I'm going to take that part. Dip it in there. I'm going to use this as, actually let me zoom you guys. I hope this isn't blurry by the way. So put that on your crease. Your crease right in between your brow bone and your lid. I'm not putting it on my lid though. I'm just buffing it on the crease. I really like this brush because it's super fluffy. And then I'm going to take this color right below it. And these colors are both matte. So I'm going to take this one and just add that right on top. I'm going to take this brush. Woo. The bristles are low on the outsides, and then on the top it's higher in the middle so that you can grab the color and blend it in very well. So it's this color again. So it's going to go right there. And I'm using this as another transition color so that everything will blend perfectly later on when I use the green. So since the bristles are longer in the middle, I can really get that blended type of dark in the center and then lighter on the outsides. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Then I'm going to go back with that fluffy brush and just blend it a little. Okay, and then I'm going to take the other side, the other side of the Kylie brush, and I'm going to dip it into this Everest Dark Forest color called Enchanted. Very pretty green color. Tap off the excess. And then I'm going to apply this kind of at my crease as well, and then moving it towards my outer V. So you want to start lightly and then you can deepen it. And this color, you see that? It's so pigmented. So I'm going to do the outer V first. Then I'm going to lightly move it towards the inner corner. Okay, so taking that fluffy part without any color on it, any new shadow on it, just blend. Because you don't want any harsh lines at all. Blend as long as you need. And then you want to take a flatter brush like this one, and you're going to dip it into the pretty glitter green. This one is called Diva. Pat it on the inner corner and on your lid. And then to deepen it or darken it a little bit, I'm going to take this dark brown color right here called Soda Pop with a pencil, or not really a pencil brush, but kind of more dense pencil brush. And I'm just going to add that onto my crease lightly. So. And a little bit on the outer corner. And then take your fluffy brush and blend it out. And then going with a pencil brush, go back to this color. I forget what it's called. Pooter. That's what that is called. And you're going to apply that on your lower lash line. And then with the very tip right here of your brush, go to Enchanted, just a little bit though, and tap off the excess very lightly on your lower lash line. Or try to only get it very close to your lash line. And the very last thing is grab like a small flat brush like this. And I'm going to go in with this color right here called Enlight. And you're going to apply this onto your brow bone. And I actually want to put some on my inner corner. Just a little bit. And the last thing would be the eyeliner. You can also skip this part if you want and just do mascara or eyeshadow or something for your black. But I like to use eyeliner. Don't forget your lower lash line. I only like to put a little bit on your lower lash line because I don't want to overpower. Okay, and then going back, I'd love to blend. So, I'm just going to blend it a tiny, tiny bit more. Just like that. Time for mascara. And in my drugstore makeup haul, I did say that I got this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and I have been using it every day since that because it's so good. I think it's one of my new favorite mascaras for sure. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but this one I use the mascara and look at that. So good. And then look, this is without anything, and this is just my lashes with the eyelash curler, and this is what it looks like, and this is the one with mascara. Doesn't it look like so much better? Well, obviously it's better, but this one just, I love it. It catches on the mascara to your lashes so well. Do you see that? Okay, and that is it for my eye portion of this video. So I'm gonna go quickly put my contour on and my highlight and blush and my lips, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final look. So this is my final look. I actually am really obsessed with it. I think this green eyeshadow is so pretty. Here's a little close up. What do you guys think about it? And I wanted to wear some of my like silver, what's it called? Silver like rhinestone hoops, but I could not find them. So this is, I guess, the end. It's just the makeup look, just the eyeshadow. But you guys, I really recommend this palette. I love it. They just have everything in here. From mattes to glitters to literally everything. They have these pretty colors here too. And this pink is so cute. And these. Oh, I'm just obsessed. I also realized when I was pretty much done with this look that I forgot to bake my face today. So maybe I'll come back with another video using Jaclyn's palette. Maybe I'll use like the pinks up here and then I'll do a full face for that. We'll see. I don't know yet. Hopefully maybe this look you guys could use it and wear it to a holiday party or, you know, just any day right now because the holiday season and this eyeshadow is just perfect. So I guess this is the end of my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are having a really wonderful holiday season. It's just so festive outside and I love it. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!